Welcome to Homeschool-ology. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. I have a 7th grader all the way down to a preschooler, and on this channel I like to talk to you guys about all things secular homeschooling, motherhood, family travel, and everything in between. Today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of our Dash into Learning program that I have picked up to use with my younger two. We are doing kind of like a preschool / kindergarten intro to schooling with my younger two this year, and I have decided that I would like to check out the Dash into Learning program. So there's Dash into Learning, Dash into Reading, there's Dash into Reading, Dash into Poetry, and Dash into Happy that I have picked up, and I'm going to unbox those and share those with you guys today. Bit, but I haven't taken anything out of the package, and I did get digital copies of the activities, so I printed out a few of those things for you guys to see, but there is a lot to print out, and I'll talk more about that in a little bit. But I am going to unbox this program here. So this is 3 programs right here in this one little box. So the first one I'm going to pull out is the Dash into Happy. So let me open this up for you guys. Inside this package there is this little thing of stickers. Hopefully it'll focus and not be too glary. And then there is a questions to ask little cards, which I guess you could also use as bookmarks. So there's those. Sorry, this camera hates to focus, but there's those, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books here. So, well, 5 books and a teaching guide. So this is the teaching guide. Let's see what's we've gotten here. There's just some general information about the approach to how to use it and things like that. So these books are just so beautiful. And then there is the 3 Bears, the Princess and the Pea, 3 Billy Goats Gruff, Little Red Riding Hood, and the Gingerbread House. So just take a peek inside. Oh, they're so pretty. The wording is in different colors. I don't really know what that's about yet because we haven't started this yet, but they're just really beautiful. She is one very talented artist. So we are going to check those out this year. So I haven't printed out that activity pack yet, but it does come with an activity pack as well. There's this little tote bag, which is so cute. I don't remember which, it came with one of these bundles, but I don't remember which bundle it came with. So, but there's that little tote bag. It's adorable. And then we have there's a little thank you for your order card. Then we have the Dash into Poetry, which is a 3-book series. So there's book 1, and book 2, and book 3. So I'm excited to use this with my kiddos. I'm gonna try to do poetry tea time again this year. It's something that I really want to do, and it's something that we don't tend to do very often. So, but we're gonna try it out. I'm hoping that having these will be kind of an incentive to work towards that. And then finally, I got all 3 levels, or all 3 sets for the Dash into Reading. So here is the first set of Dash into Reading. It also came with little stickers. There's actually 2 sheets. And then these are the books. We have Fan and Sam, Mitt and I, Matt the Ram, the Mutt, Fish Fun, My Ship, My Pal, Cam the Cat, the the cub, 6 kittens, and the parent guide, which is here in the back. So it gives you a little like how to, you know, teaching your child to read, and then how to teach the lessons, and then there's instructions on using the finger puppets that are provided in the activity bundle. So while I am showing you that, I'm gonna show you this activity pack here. I've only printed off a couple of pages from each thing, but I'll show it to you. So it came with a teacher's guide, and I've only printed, for my teacher's guide, I'm gonna print all 3 sets, all these pages from all 3 sets, but there's only the first set so far. But there's the activity page, and then there's a table of contents that tells you like what order to do things in and what activities there are. And then there is like a kind of scope and sequence, or a sample schedule that is also provided with it for you to kind of use to set your schedule. So that came in as the teacher's guide, and then the I've only printed off set 1, book 1's activity, and I haven't even printed off the games or anything yet. But what I've decided to do is make a little book for each of them. And to make these covers, I just stuck these in paint and then added the, you know, erased some of the words, and because there wasn't like a cover page, but I wanted to use 2 different ones anyway, so my kids could easily recognize which one was theirs. So that's how I created this cover page. And then each activity set comes with a like cover page like this, and then several activities. So this one, it has things like working on blending, and then it had a sound search, so you know, find the sound that you put here in the bubble. And then it had some bingo, which I haven't printed off the game pieces to yet. And then it has some coloring sheets at the end. So they suggest printing these off single-sided, but you know, I like to save paper, so I'm printing them off double-sided, and I'm going to create kind of little booklets for them with all the sets all together, and then they'll feel like they have their own like workbook like their big sisters do. So that is kind of like what comes in the bundle, and then as I'm using this, I'm sure I will share with you guys like how it's going and all that stuff. But if you have any questions about things that I've shared, or something you want to see in a little bit more detail, or anything like that, just comment down below and let me know, and I'd be happy to do that. And then this is set 2. So set 2 also comes with little stickers. I believe there's like a tracker, and that's what the stickers are for. But this one is lots of pups. Sorry, the glare. Muffins with Cam. To the moon, which I'm really excited about because we're doing an astronomy unit this year. The chick. The cub helps. Who at the zoo. Dash is lost. We wish. Viv and Dad. Big and little. And of course the parent's guide, which has similar information to the previous book, but also has some little activities here at the back to go along with what you are reading. So that is set 2, and then of course finally set 3. I picked these up because the bundle was cheaper if you bought them all together, and then there was a 30% off everything sale, and so I figured if I was gonna get it, now is the time, and I'm sure it will be hold its resale value. So there are stickers here again, of course, and then these books are The Garden, Spring on the Farm, Finn's Friend, Let's Pretend, The Big Picnic, Lemonade Stand, The Train Ride, The Mansion, Play Ball, Sisters, and of course the parent guide, similar to the first one, with some word practice in the back. So I just thought these were so beautiful. Just check out those illustrations, guys. Aren't they just gorgeous? So I am really excited to try this out and see how this goes with my little kiddos. I think the Dash into Happy and the I think these, the Dash into Happy, and maybe probably even the Dash into Poetry, which my daughter has already still to look at. I think I'm going to use these as like family activities, family things that we're going to do together. And then of course the Dash into Reading will be for my littler two. Okay guys, I actually got a chance to print off most of the activity things before I uploaded this video. So I'm just going to hop on here real quick and show you guys. So this is set 1. This is all set 1. Granted, I have printed 2 copies of some of these things, like, well, all the spinners, but I've printed, like, if there were dolls, and sorry, it's going to be a little glary because of the light, but if there were dolls, I printed 2 copies of that, but, there's, like, game card pieces, and somewhere in here, there are game boards. Let me see if I can find one. So there are game board things in here, and so this is the activity pack for just set 1. I haven't even printed off sets 2 and 3 for the Dash into Reading, so you can tell it's like a very hefty little bundle of activities here, and that's just like the game pieces and things like that. I talked to you guys about how I was going to print off the teacher guide. Let me open this so it's not so glary, but so here's the teacher guide. So I went ahead and printed off all 3 sets for this one, and I printed off a page in the activity. So the teacher guide is separate from the activity book, but there's pages in the activity book that tell you how to use the activity pages. So I went ahead and printed off those for each one and put them in here. And then so I have set 1, set 2, and set 3. I didn't print off the whole teacher's guide, but I wanted to show you guys this is the table of contents, and it tells you like what is included in each activity bundle for each book. So you know, like you can, and it even provides like a little area for you to check off as you've done things. So that's what the inside of the teacher guide looks like. And then, like I said, I had printed off 2 copies, one for my son and one for my daughter. So these are exactly the same. And again, I said I was going to print all 3 sets at one time, but this was already just set 1. And you can see it's a pretty nice sized little bundle. So I decided to just stop at set 1, and I will print off the other ones later. But again, I created this by copying and pasting it into Paint, and I just stole it from one of the book setlets. It looked like this before, and I just cut out some of the words to make it look like this. And then this is, each set comes separately. What I didn't love about this was that every book set was, like every book, the bundle stuff was in a different PDF file, which is probably better for like sending and receiving, but it was kind of a pain in the butt to have to open like every single one and find the pages I wanted to print and things like that. So but again, they recommend just printing the whole thing on single-sided paper. I of course wanted to save paper, and so I printed things off double-sided, but that is like the kind of like workbooky pages for book 1, set 1, book 1. And then it just repeats in that same vein with just workbook pages. But they, of course, are all include the beautiful illustrations, and they're just really well done, and I really do like them. And so I think between, like, so this is all of set 1, like the worksheet kind of pages, and this is all of set 1, the activity type pages. And again, some of these are doubled up because I have 2 students, but this, I mean, that's a lot of stuff for what you're getting. All of that, and then all of these books is the first set. So it is a lot that you get in this set for what you're getting. 10 books, and then there is a teacher guide book that I've misplaced somehow already, but I'll find it. So you are getting a good amount of activities and a good amount of things to use with this program. Sorry, I'm trying to fight the glare here. So it's several books and an entire, I made an entire workbook here for them, and then all these activity sheets. So it's a good deal. And then this is the Dash into Poetry. So it came with these 3 books. Give you a little peek inside. And just look at those illustrations, just gorgeous. So it came with the 3 books and then this entire booklet, and this was one PDF that I just printed off, but it has like copy work and all kinds of things for that go along with the books here, and you can print it in print and cursive and this. So lots of options and lots of value for your investment here. So this was a good little set too. The Dash into Poetry books, or the Dash into Happy books, also came with activities. I have not printed those off yet, and it's not like workbook pages. It's more activity things, so which is why I haven't printed that off yet. So, but that does come with something as well when you're buying the bundle. You can buy books, just the books by themselves, or you can buy the books with the bundle activity pages for all of these things, for the reading, the happy, and the poetry. So that is the unboxing. I'm really excited to kind of finish putting all these pieces together. I just kind of skimmed some of the activities to print out a couple so you guys could see what those kind of look like, but everything in this is so beautiful and so gorgeous. The books, even though they're like flimsy, you know, they're not like hardcover or anything like that, but the pages are very nice quality, thicker, nice and glossy pages. The covers feel soft and durable. They're nice and thick and feel pretty durable. I feel like they're gonna hold up very well, even though they're not like, you know, hardcover books. So I'm really loving the quality. Of course, the illustrations are gorgeous, and I will let you guys know how we like the program as we start using it. So, like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and make them down below. I'm happy to answer them. While you're down there, I hope you will subscribe to this channel, ring that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It's something free that you can do that really helps us as YouTubers out. We know what kind of content you like and want to see more of. If you want to see this in action, as I'm doing it, I'm sure I will share a review with you, but I also share things over on Instagram at Homeschool-ology. I hope you will head over there and connect with me over there, see what we're doing in our day-to-day life. You can also DM me over there if you have any questions. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. So I am going to say goodbye, and I hope you will come back and chat with me again soon. Bye.